What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Yesterday was one of the co-owners of my sponsor R&M Autobody Worx birthday, and I thought I'm gonna head on over today and surprise him. But before I do that, I need to just head on over to the local Woolworths so I can buy him some cake. And I thought I'd also make this a twofold approach by also getting some cinematics on Robyn's Jazz that is currently in for some body work. And one of my client referrals, whose vehicles is currently at R&M, also asked me to capture some cinematics. So I think that I will be doing that today as well. So let me just hit the road quickly to go and purchase that cake, and I'll meet up with you guys at R&M.
Later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you guys for watching and making it to the end of another video. If indeed you have watched and made it this far, really appreciate that. I just want to give a shout out and well wishes once again to Mr. Walker of R&M Autobody Worx on the celebration of his birthday yesterday. Really hope that you had a great day and that you will have enjoyed the cake that was delivered as well. If you guys do need any body work done to your vehicles, I will leave the contact information of R&M in the description below. They really do exceptional work, and I'm not just saying that because they're one of my sponsors, but from personal experience and from some of the customers that I've referred to them, they really have had good experiences. So guys, do check them out if you are needing some body work done. But that's it for now. I'm going to be calling it quits in this video. Trust that you will have enjoyed the content, but until then, remember, you're bold, your rules, stay motivated. Cheers.